Greetings, adventure lovers. We're Roger and Brenda, and Ride Ohio is our passion project where we share our motorcycle experiences. Every mile on the road tells a story.
That dollar general. You know they have to put one everywhere. That nice scenery behind you. Yeah.
Let go like there ain't no tomorrow.
Want me in front?
Yeah. Free your mind. There's a home deep down inside the wires, buzzing on the ground. There's a whole lot of love left inside of me, left here to be found. A future that is measured, ain't no future at all. I'd rather have a love that's 10 feet tall. You can supersize me, you make it look easy, baby. The way you're lifting me up, you can supersize me, you make it look easy, baby. The way you're lifting me up. No, not a little. No, not just enough. It's gonna be big. It's gonna be tough. The mind is in the building. The growth is in the pain. Can't have no flowers if you ain't got the rain. You can supersize me. You make it look easy, baby. The way you're
right.
I know, it's looking at it.
Good look at that.
Just look at that.
Just look at that, will ya? You can tell that we're from Ohio.
Jacob said I pulled over on his motorcycle, got pictures in front of all of them. The latest business trip that we're going
Yep.
in the sun.
I can't imagine what the Grand Canyon is like.
Yeah. Andy said it's so beautiful. She's been there too.
Just right through here.
Huh?
Just riding through here is amazing.